How to extract zip, RAR and 140 plus formats with Chrome extension. First, download and add ezyZip extension to your browser. Link is in the description. Navigate to the file you wish to extract, right-click and select Extract with ezyZip. It will redirect you to the overview of the extracted file. Go to ezyZip File Extractor, then click on the link button. Paste the link of the archive you wish to extract. Click on Load and ezyZip will start to extract the file. You can also just drag and drop the link to ezyZip File Extractor. Then it will start extracting sweat-free. Now that the extraction is complete, you can inspect the extracted contents first. And if you are happy with it, you can save the file to your selected folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us.